Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll do our product assembly of our CASA 5C book. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing parts A, B and C, our 3 boards, as well as 4 of our number 3 and 4 of our number 5, as well as the supplied Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For this step, be cautious of the cutout here on the boards A and B. For C, they need to line up when you assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our part E. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing parts C, G, H, as well as 4 of our number 3, 4 of our number 5, and the Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part I. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part F, our board, as well as a new part 1, 8 of them. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assemblies from earlier, our A, B, and C, as well as our F, and new part number 9, the stickers, and 4 of our number 2 lockers. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Next, we'll be combining our 2 previous assembled parts. Included will be our number 9 again, as well as 4 of our number 2 and 4 of our number 3 parts. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts number 6, our feet, as well as 14 parts number 7. Let's go ahead and assemble it now. we're going to proceed on to add the additional ones. For our next step, we'll be needing 3 of our part D, as well as 12 of our number 4, the standoffs. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Please take note that when installing the standoffs, there are multiple piloted holes here on the inside, on each shelf, so you can adjust them to varying heights. For our last step, this is an optional step. It's our anti-tipping bracket. Please refer to our manual on how to install this. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA 5C book. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.